Okay, so the last two, if you take a look, they're actually identical equations. I want to show you how to do it the reciprocal way and then remind you that if they are friendly decimals, you can do this the decimal way. So, what's nice is there are no parentheses for us to take care of, so we can just jump into getting x onto one side, getting the units onto the other. So again, we have a 1/2 x, we have a negative 3/4 x. It would be helpful to get rid of the negative just because we like things to be positive. So if we want to get rid of that negative 3/4 x, let's go ahead and add 3/4 x because that makes a zero pair there. Anything that's the same number opposite sign is a zero pair. So we will add 3/4 of an x to here, and let's remind ourselves about adding fractions. If we have 1/2 and we're adding 3/4, to add you need common denominators. So we need this one to be a 4 so that we can add them and have the denominator 4. Well, to get that 2 to be a 4, we multiplied by 2, so that means we multiply the top by 2. So 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So now when we add, we will do the 2 plus 3, and we will get that we have 5/4 x. We'll bring down that minus 3 we didn't use, and we'll bring down that it equals 2. Alright, we have x collected onto one side. We want to get our units onto the opposite side so we can see how they're balanced. So we want to get rid of these 3 negatives by putting 3 positives. If we do it to one side, we do it to the other. So we have that 5/4 x equals 5, and let's go ahead and try that reciprocal method. So if we want it just x, we multiply by the flip of the fraction. That would get 20/20, which is just 1. So we know that our x is equal to, we have to multiply by 4/5 here to that 5. And so we are going to put that over 1. So when we multiply straight across, we get 20 over straight across here 5. And actually that divides out to be a very nice number. So x equals 4. Now, I'm okay with decimals if they are really friendly decimals. So this one right here, not a friendly decimal. Nice to keep as a fraction. But this one we also could have solved as 1/2 is the same as 0.5x minus 3 equals 2 minus 3/4 is 0.75x. So you could have converted them to friendly decimals and solved. Go ahead and solve this out decimal way and you should still get that x equals 4. So pause the video and give it a try. Alright, so I matched up the colors for the steps that we did, and as you take a look, we still get that x equals 4. So if they are friendly decimals, go ahead and use decimals. Otherwise, fractions always work no matter the problem, and we can multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, go ahead and move on to homework. And please submit a picture of your notes to the Schoology assignment and bring your homework tomorrow in class, please. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow.